welcome to my channel. I am Radhika Lakshman. So today is episode 3 in the series which is called The Beginner's Guide Tips and Techniques for Meditation. Okay, in this third episode, I'm going to talk about concentration and focus, how to concentrate, or how to focus, or how to have full attention in your meditation practice. Okay, so before you watch this video, make sure you watch episode 1 and episode 2, which is very crucial for beginners especially. Okay, even if you're not a beginner, you can still watch it. Okay, so let's talk about concentration and focus. See, in meditation practice, especially in yoga, okay, they stress about this concentration and this focus, this attention is very crucial. Without focus, you cannot meditate. You will not be in state of meditation. Okay? Only when you're able to focus, you will be able to be in a state of meditation. Focus is not state of meditation, but meditation is a byproduct of focus. Okay, one-pointedness. The mind has to be one-pointed. Okay, once the mind has become one-pointed, then it will automatically be in state of meditation. Okay, so, but there is a problem. I do agree, some people, it's very easier for them to concentrate, to focus. But for most of us, for many of us, it's very difficult to concentrate, especially for me. In the beginning, I had so much of difficulty to concentrate, okay, and it was so difficult for me to meditate. But then later, I discovered something that most systems do not teach us. What is that? Okay. So most people, we are unable to concentrate. It doesn't come naturally to us. You can't force to concentrate, because if you force yourself to concentrate or to focus on one point, this will give you a lot of stress and resistance. What is concentration? Concentration is you exclude every other objects and thoughts and just focus on one object, on one point. You exclude everything else. Okay, this is what you call as concentration. Okay, so for most of us, it's very difficult. Do not force yourself to concentrate, because it's going to lead to more resistance. Meditation, the practice of meditation is not about resistance. It's about being in a state of acceptance, awareness, peace, in a state of being, in a state of flow. Okay? So, there are a lot of people who told me that they got headache when they meditate. Now I understand why they got headache. Because they try to force themselves to concentrate. Here is an important tip which I learned from my own experience. Concentration or focus is a byproduct of relaxation. It's a byproduct of relaxation. In Kriya Yoga, they do not encourage concentration. They encourage awareness. Be aware. They do not encourage try to exclude or push away all the thoughts, all the other thoughts and objects, and focus only on one point. No. In Kriya Yoga, they encourage us to be aware, be constant awareness, to observe without judgment, without evaluation. Okay? So, concentration or focus is a byproduct of relaxation. It's an outcome of relaxation. When your mind, your physical body, your mental body is totally relaxed, the mind will automatically be focused, will be concentrated. You'll easily concentrate. The concentration will be spontaneous, effortless. You will do it with ease. Okay, what is relaxation? Most people do not know the meaning of relaxation. They can never relax. Most of us, we are not relaxed the whole day. We are full of stress. We are in the state of doing. We keep rushing to the next level and we do not know the meaning of relaxation. And many of us, we are not even relaxed in our sleep. We bring those worries and stress even in our sleep. There are constant worries, stress, fear and phobia even in our sleep. And the body is not deeply rested. And lots of tension in the body, muscle and the mind. They don't know what relaxation means. Okay. Recently there was one guru said that during his yoga practices, when he said relax, those people, their body is still stiff. But they think they are relaxed, but they're not relaxed. Okay, so relaxation starts by taking your consciousness away from entangling thoughts or overwhelming thoughts or situation and direct it towards neutral activities. What are neutral activities? Neutral activities are those activities where you usually do not have the need to judge, that you can just observe it without any evaluation or judgment. Such as observing your breath, observing your heartbeat, body scanning. Scan every part of your body. Observe the sensation within your body. Okay, so before you start to meditate, you have to be totally relaxed. Okay, you can either start focusing on your breath. Don't try to change your breath, just observe it, the inhalation and the exhalation. Okay, whether the inhalation is longer or if the exhalation is longer, just observe it. Observe it. Okay, when you're inhaling and exhaling, imagine your whole body is inhaling it, and when you're exhaling it, imagine your whole body is getting relaxed. Just observe the breath from your belly to your throat or from your belly to your nose. Just observe the breath. Observe the breath which is rising from your navel or below your navel. Okay, or observe your heartbeat. If you can't feel your heartbeat, just place your right hand on your heartbeat on the left side of your chest. Try to feel it and just observe it. You can also scan your body. Okay, there's one technique that I use is you scan your body as fast as possible, because the mind is like a monkey. Okay, if you try to make it concentrate, it's just going to keep wandering around. But if you make it wander around, it will try to focus. So try to scan your body fast as you can. Okay, start with the right thumb. Okay, just focus on the right thumb. The first finger, second finger, third finger, fourth finger, and then all fingers together. Then go to your wrist. Then scan your arm, then scan your shoulder, then scan your armpit, scan your hips, scan your waist, slowly all over your body as fast as you can. Just keep rotating your consciousness, your awareness all around the body. This is called fast body scanning. Just observe it very fast, without any sort of judgment. If you feel some sort of pain, just tell yourself, this is just temporary. This will pass. This will also pass. And then move on to the next part of your body. Do it as fast as you can. And imagine yourself being relaxed. There's another technique to relax is focus on the chakras within your body. There are around 8 chakras here. Okay, some people say 7, but I focus on 8 chakras. So if you focus on the specific part where the chakra is located within your body, if you just simply by being aware of it, just simply focusing on it will make you totally relaxed. For example, your root chakra. Okay, no, let's not start with root chakra. Let's start with crown chakra, which is on top of your head. Okay, by just focusing there, you'll automatically be relaxed. Okay, so just start focusing from your root chakra, which is at the perineum. Okay, then the sacral chakra, which is below the navel. Okay, 2 inches below the navel. Then there's the navel chakra, which is just behind the navel. And then this heart chakra, which is in the middle of the chest. Then this throat chakra, the throat here. And then the third eye chakra, which is the middle of the eyebrows. And then there's a crown chakra here. Actually, there are more chakras, but I'm just giving you the basic one. The top of the head. Just focus on it. By just focusing on it will help you to be totally relaxed. Focus, when I told you about the body scan, focus on every part, including your jaw, your teeth, your tongue, especially your tongue, your upper palate, your lower palate. Just focus on it. Alright? Focus on your breath, observe your breath. There's many more relaxation techniques, but I have to talk about it in next episodes. Okay? So that's all, I guess. So remember this, if you want to meditate, it's very important for you to be totally relaxed. Okay, so let me note down, how do you relax? How do you relax in your meditative practice? What type of relaxation technique do you use? Share with me, okay? So stay tuned for my next episode. Till then, thank you so much. Please subscribe, like and share.